Hi, I'm here inside of my iLearn class, which is completely online. I am teaching health and we are in week 15. What you see here is a tutorial to my students on how to get into the blog site. And what I'd like to show you then is what the blog looks like and how it's functioning. So all of my students are listed here so I can sort through them, but their assignment was to blog at least once a week on how their wellness plan was going, which was an 8-week project on a behavior change of some kind. She was changing her eating and exercise, and she had good details. She was speaking to everyone else in the class. I think that it upped the ante for the other students when they saw each other on there also improving themselves in blogging. Here's another student who was working on his eating. He reduced his fast food. And this young lady was working on reducing her stress and going to bed earlier. And so I asked them to document some proof of them doing their plan, and she was organizing herself and making priorities so that she could slow down on the procrastination, get some balance into her life. And she was pretty successful at that. I was very excited to see that because of this, took it seriously and liked to share some of their successes with each other. She was also working on stress management and getting homework done a little bit ahead instead of after the fact. And I also asked the students to join me in a blog to increase their ability to fix food for themselves instead of defaulting to junk food and fast food or the food in the cafeteria. I asked them to show me a healthy recipe that they cooked, and I would give them a little bit extra credit. And so what I'm building here is a resource for students to see that it's not that hard to cook food for yourself. It was really a nice little action plan for most of them. And they have a chance to comment to each other, you know, like I tried your recipe, and this is, you know, I'm hoping each semester I can add more and more items on here. There was a criteria that it be healthy and inexpensive and quick to cook, and so that was the parameters they had to go by. This is the final project where they had to post a conclusion to their wellness plan summary, and I asked them to post information as if they were giving advice through all the trial and error that they experienced, so that other people can benefit from the things that they learned. And this assignment ended up being really positive in that it was transparent. And so instead of them just turning in their information to me and I read it and it stops there, now they're sharing it with their classmates, they're sharing it with public or whoever would like to come on and see some of the important learning that went on from their personal experience through trial and error.